This here is my Toro Timemaster. It's model number 21200, which means it has the electric start. As you can see right there, I've got about 128.8 hours on the engine. And you can see I had to take off this spindle cover. It was all full of grass. Had to repaint it because there was some rusted paint chipping here. So I did that. It's not the perfect color match, but it works. And I'm going to show you how to repaint the underside of the deck. So the Timemaster has a great design where if you've pulled that blue lever down or push it down, you can move the whole upper arm area at an angle, different heights, and so you can just push it back here so that you can get easy access to the deck and your blades. And whichever way you tilt it up, you want to make sure your air filter's up so you don't flood it or something. So here's what it looks like before done in here. I've already cleaned it, scraped it out, degreased it, and hit it with the wire wheel. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Okay, just got the spindles taped up. The tires kind of covered so you don't get any paint on anything you don't want it to. And the paint I'm going to be using is this Van Sickle tractor enamel. It is Massey Ferguson red / safety red. They didn't have Toro red, of course, but that's going to be close enough since no one's really going to see this, and it's really just to protect it. So there's that. Got just a 2-inch cheap Harbor Freight brush and plastic bag to put the brush in overnight, so when I come back to do the second coat, I don't have to get a new brush. And this is not sponsored. This is just what my local store had. So let's check it out. This is after the second coat has dried. We are pretty much done underneath. You can see I've got the spindles untaped. And I went ahead and I still painted over that plastic side discharge flap just because it's plastic and I didn't bother taping it up. But if you want to tape it up, go ahead. Other than that, we're done on the bottom. And so next, I just need to touch up some paint in the bagger chute here from the back. Okay, here's the back part that I just finished painting. You can see I just lodged a ski pole between that back flap and the bar to hold it up. You can see I've got the arm in the upright position here. And there's the back, all nice and painted. So I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so it's the next day. The paint is dry in the chute area. And next, I'm just gonna try out this Stay-Bil Ceramic Pro Guard. Not sponsored in any way, of course, but figured I would try this out. Heard this stuff has some pretty good reviews. So hopefully the grass won't stick as bad next summer.